Created every rap that I roll, no favors. I gotta keep grinding till my cousins is my neighbors. Just gotta keep pushing like a lady that's a labor.
Back to my channel. So today we're gonna do an unboxing / haul from Amazon and also Sniper Gang Apparel. I'd like to say thank you to H. Barna for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna have a link down in the description box below. So thank you, Borna. Everything else is not sponsored. It was bought. Okay. So what should we start off with first? I guess Amazon. A lot of this stuff is baby stuff. So we're gonna say baby haul. A lot of it is. I have some stuff too. So I ordered just one of the boxes. Let me try to open. That's why it's not an unboxing, it's a haul. So I ordered 2 Boss Baby onesies for Halloween. I got 2 sizes, and the size is 6 months and 12 months because I was looking at the reviews and some people were saying things were too small. So I just ordered 2 sizes just in case. And I think the 6 months will fit him, but it don't hurt to have it. And we have 2 silicone bibs. Has a bow tie in the color light, well, sky blue. I'll say it's sky blue. And then the next color, it's a darker blue. It says Perfect Gentleman. So cute. Update, my baby is now 5 months. I've been introducing him to solids at 4 months, so I can kind of give you guys an update while we do this too. So now right now we've been trying baby oatmeal for now because I was ordering stuff, you know, but it's no rush. So right now we're using Gerber baby, what is it? Gerber baby oatmeal cereal. But these are Bibs, and this is by the brand Carter's. Simple Joys made by Carter's. We have 4 Bibs. Ooh, this is the cloth kind though. Thought it would have had that material in the inside for like liquids and solids, but he still needed them either way, because the ones we have he's outgrowing them. And then we have some burp cloths, 4 different ones. This one has, they match the bib, so this one has like little balls on it. This one just plain gray with blue trimming. This one has a dinosaur all over it. All blue with the gray trimming. And the bibs, this one says Daddy's Buddy. And this one has a dinosaur as the bib. Mommy's Little Star. And balls. I'm gonna put them all in the washing machine. I'll wash them all before I use them. Got him the Sesame Street fork and spoon before their anniversary. They have like collabs with everybody right now. So here's one of them. It's a set. He had the plates on the way too. Don't know when those are coming. They might come next week or something, but they're so pretty. My baby loves Elmo. Well, he loves Sesame Street in general. That's his favorite. We have here the Baby Bullet 20-piece set. Oh, this size. But yeah, Baby Bullet, Baby Bullet. So yeah, I'm gonna be making his food. I'm so excited about making his food instead of buying it out the store, because I would know he's getting natural, you know, natural products, no chemicals. I'm so happy about this. Excited. We have nipples, Dr. Brown nipples. Ooh, it's about that time. We got the level 3. You're gonna change all his nipples. I ordered this for me. You already know. You know what the is going on. Y'all know what is going on. So I bought it because I needed this actually. So I saw this set. I'm like, okay, I do need a wig head for like making wigs and stuff like that. It came with some T-pins, needles, a thread, clip, a few clips. So I'm excited. So y'all know what's about to happen, right? It's about to be lit. It's about to be lit. Guess what y'all should be expecting on my channel? Hair stuff, you know, beauty. But I just need some sponsorships. So, y'all tell y'all favorite, I don't know, hair vendor. Check me out. Send me some weave. Okay? Next we have more Gerber. Let me see, how do you open this? Okay. One pull out. What? Why are they so little? Well, that one not little like this, but this is organic rice. So okay, so y'all can see. This is for the kid. The kid. Guess what? Guess what's next? Y'all guess what I'm about to pull out. Another one. Another one. All from Amazon. Let me tell you, all this is from Amazon. Okay? Don't mind my hair. It's not flat iron, nothing. I don't have a sponsorship. It does not stop. You think I have a trap going on over here.
Let me try the book.
For my baby. The bear came in the clear plastic, and everything came in a, you know, regular shipping package. A parcel package. But you get, you know, your invoice, your address, how much you bought it for, you know, the packaging slip. This Bill Capri, I guess that's his P.O. box. And I have a heart, but I'm heartless. A little bear on the corner, and it looks like a little postage. So I'm not sure if they want you to basically write on one side to mail it to, and I guess it goes to Kodak. Then you put a stamp in the corner. Let me let y'all see. This is one side, so I'm guessing you're supposed to write on one side, and then put a stamp on the other side. And I forgot to tell you, it comes with a Sniper Gang apparel band that says "Aim for Success." So I'm gonna put it in Kobe's room, and he'll wear it when he get old enough, I guess. So I ordered the book called The Game of Desires by Shan Booty. That's what I call her, because that's how she said it on her channel. She is a fellow YouTuber, sexologist. I really am a fan of her work and all that she does, so I am going to support her. Outfit of the day. Let me tell you what I got on, sister girl. So I'm wearing a shirt that says "Living My Best Life" from Target. It looks distressed. It's very comfortable. It's like a, you know, my pants, very cute and comfortable. I wish you can see the legs. Very comfortable. This is really like lounge wear, and it's all from Target. Tell me what videos y'all want to see from us, from me and Kobe. And again, I will try to deliver. Just let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching.